Tornado on the ground right here by Lily Chapel. Tornado is on the ground. We have a tornado. And it's getting bigger.
Go. Oh, there's another one.
Keep watching that way.